Such a uneven cytoplasm. Okay, so this cytoplasm is known as sarcoplasm. This oh shit. This cytoplasm of the muscle cells are known as sarcoplasm. So the muscle cells cytoplasm, sarcoplasm. That means cytoplasm of myofibers. Myofiber mean muscle cells. The sarcolemma means plasma membrane of myofiber, and sarcoplasm means cytoplasm of myofiber. Now next thing we will talk about, it is also having in this, but the surface of the plasma membrane is not that much smooth. It's having some inner growth. That means it's having some tube-like structure which is not open from outside. That means the outer part is open, but the inner part is not open. This part is open, but this part is not open. Okay, this structure is present both the sides of the plasma membrane or sarcolemma. It is open from the outside, but not open from the inside. Here also, like this. Okay, these structures are called as T tubule. T tubule. Okay. Now, next, moving ahead, we have some it's quite obvious that inside of the myofiber, or it is a muscle cell, it will have some endoplasmic reticulum. It is having some endoplasmic reticulum scattered here and there, endoplasmic reticulum. So the endoplasmic reticulum of muscle cells, the endoplasmic reticulum of muscle cell is called as sarcoplasmic reticulum. It is called as sarcoplasmic reticulum. That means ER of myofiber. Okay, ER of myofiber is also known as the sarcoplasmic reticulum. And as we all know, it is a multinucleated structure. As the skeletal muscle is a multinucleated structure, then we can say as these are the nucleus. Nucleuses are not having as such different name like sarco something nucleus, sarcolas, or no, nothing that type of names are present. So this is nucleus. This roundish structure present in multiple number is the nucleus. Okay, let us just recapitulate the entire thing. This is the diagram of a myofiber, or which is also called as muscle cell. This is a diagram of a muscle cell. So this is a muscle cell. We have taken, suppose This is as per us. This was the structure, no? This was the structure of muscle cell. In the very first period, I have drawn. This was the structure of muscle cells. So that structure we are watching in under microscope or with high power microscope. So what are the structure? These are the nucleus, the this outer outer plasma membrane is called as sarcolemma. It is having some one-way channels which are known as tubules. The inter cytoplasm is called as sarcoplasm. As it is a multinucleated structure, inside that it is having again further this cigarette like structures are present যেগুলো নাম I have not written. So these structures are called as myofibril, Fibril. Myofibril, these structures are known as myofibril. Inside of the sarcoplasma or sarcoplasm, there are endoplasmic reticulums which are known as sarcoplasmic reticulum, and multiple number of nucleus is present. Now, one last thing to add with, that is in this myofibrils, no, in this myofibrils, some light this type of structures present in this myofibril, some this type of bandings present. Next day definitely we will read the details about this banding. Now for now you just understand in this myofibril or the innermost part of the muscle cell, some light this like bandings are present. Okay, I have drawn this in wrong place. Yeah, it should not be done. Okay, so these bandings are visible in myofibers also, as well as it can be visible in the muscles also. So that is the reason skeletal muscle are called as striated muscles, because this is the striatation which is present in the, so this is the striatation which is visible in myofibrils, which is visible in myofibrils, and it can be also seen in myofiber as well as in the muscle cells. Is it clear to all of you? Is there any doubt which I need to talk about? Anisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? I need to talk about something?
No, ma'am.
Everything is clear? Yes, Mritika?
Ma'am, the muscle has some black strap, and the microfiber also has some black strap. Ma'am, they are the same thing.
Wait, I'm not getting it. So muscles have some black spot. What you told?
No, ma'am, those you drew those lines right now in this muscle of figure two and uh, the microfiber too.
See, this is the microfiber. This thing is the microfiber. This entire cell, the cell of the muscles. If you just open the last diagram, wait a second. এটা তোরা দেখতে পাবে না। Is it visible? No, nothing is visible. আচ্ছা পরে দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি, wait. This is visible, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, in this diagram, first you understand what is a microfiber and what is a microfibril. See, this is the entire muscle. Entire muscle. All the muscles are in the muscle. There are few parts which are known as fascicles. These are the fascicles. Inside this fascicles, no, inside this fascicles there are one bunches of cells which is known as myofiber. This is known as myofiber. Okay, this thing is known as myofiber. This entire red thing is known as this. This entire big circle is known as myofiber. This myofiber is a single cell of muscle. Inside that again some bunches of muscles are present which is known as myofibril. These bunches of muscles are known as myofibril. Okay. Now where does that screen go? Went. Hmm. Wait, I don't know. Am I able to send the screen? Okay, that was yeah. So now here, this entire thing was the myofiber, and these small lines are the myofibrils. Now the black spot you are talking about this place. Now
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can, yeah, these are the bandings. See, these things, as I said that the myofibrils are having some bandings on them, very light bandings on them. This is called as the light banding or striatation. Yes, these are only visible in myofiber. This and this are same. This is only visible in myofiber.
Okay, ma'am. That is what I was asking.
Yeah. Anything else? Anything else? Because it's
Ma'am,
already. Yes, yes, tell me.
ma'am, what the T-tubules work?
A work of T tubules, yeah. And next class, I'll let you know what is the function of T tubule, because the function of T tubule is important in contraction and relaxation of the cell. That thing I'll definitely discuss in next day's class. Okay.
One question.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Why this means that saroplasm and this from where this sarcoplasm,
Sarcoplasm.
from where the names came?
From where the names came? Okay, the names usually came from any scientist. Okay, scientist only given this type of names like sarcoplasm or this names. Why? What happened? You don't like the name?
No, ma'am, I'm asking, does that all the names of this endoplasmic reticulum and this cytoplasm are changing? That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, this all names are. See, this is the name. This is the name which we can say that. Yeah, all these names